He's just
His
trying
Xbox is right there.
Jeffrey, don't touch that! That's the Xbox One, Dad, don't touch that shit! Dad, what the fuck are you, Dad, what the fuck are you doing? Dad,
it's Xbox.
You're not touching this. You're not.
Get away, put it back.
What are you gonna chainsaw me? What are you, Dad!
You cut through a plastic thing.
It's not even funny. There's plastic everywhere. Get the fuck out of here. You think that's funny? You think that's funny? What he did? I don't know. He's sawing it up. What the fuck's he doing? Dad.
Get out of the way.
Dad.
Oh, shit.
Dad.
Holy shit!
God! Why? Fuck!
That's violent
shit.
video game.
Holy shit!
Master Chief Collection! It's the only way I'm gonna learn!
You can't teach. No, but I was with violence.
That's because I have to, because you buy it behind my back.
You taught him how to play video games.
Oh, where did he go? What the hell? A little Swiss Family Jesse over here. Hey, buddy.
Get the fuck out of here! Get that light out of my face!
Hey, it's okay.
No. Halo Master Chief Collection comes out in 1 hour, and I'm not gonna be able to play. It's not funny. Please,
It's just a game.
please.
Alright, it's off, it's off.
Turn it off, please. Turn it off.
It's off, man. It's okay.